How to invest in cryptocurrency.
If you're looking to invest in cryptocurrency for the first time, you will be entering a new and existing trading space that has since surpassed a market value of $1 trillion. Key topics include how to choose a safe and low-cost cryptocurrency exchange, selecting the best digital currencies for your portfolio, and the steps required to invest in less than 5 minutes. In just 4 simple steps, you can invest in cryptocurrency via a regulated online broker in under 5 minutes. Best of all, when using eToro for this purpose, you can instantly pay for your cryptocurrency investment in US dollars without paying any transaction fees. Opening an account with eToro is super easy, as it's just a case of providing the broker with some personal information. Credit card. Step 2. Deposit. You only need to deposit $10 into eToro when you first open an account, and no transaction fees are charged US clients only. Choose from ACH, a debit/credit card, an e-wallet, and more. You only need to deposit $10 into eToro when you first open an account, and no transaction fees are charged US clients only. Now that you have a funded account, use the search bar to find the cryptocurrency that you want to invest in. There are over 100 plus exchanges and brokers in the online space that allow you to invest in cryptocurrency. It's also a good idea to choose a platform that offers low fees and, of course, support for your preferred cryptocurrencies. In the sections below, you will find reviews of where to invest in cryptocurrency assets safely and in a low-cost way. This is ideal if you're looking to explore crypto assets for the first time and you don't want to risk too much money. Moreover, at a minimum trade size of $10, you can invest in expensive cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, both of which are now worth thousands of dollars per token. When it comes to fees, eToro allows US clients to deposit USD on a fee-free basis. Options here include ACH, e-wallets like PayPal and Neteller, online banking, and debit/credit cards. If you are interested in gaining exposure to cryptocurrency but you don't know which tokens to add to your portfolio, eToro offers a duo of passive trading tools. eToro is always adding new cryptocurrencies to its portfolio so you can gain exposure to the best cryptos that could explode in 2022. We also found that eToro offers one of the best crypto wallets for beginners. This is because when you buy cryptocurrency here, the tokens are kept safe in your eToro web wallet. Finally, we should note that eToro is perhaps the best crypto exchange in the market for complete beginners, as both its website and mobile app are super easy to use. Heavily regulated, super low trading fees. Super low trading fees, no deposit fees. No deposit fees, supports dozens of coins including Tron and Zcash. There is no longer a requirement to risk large sums of money when you invest in crypto, especially when you have an account with a broker like Webolo. And, best of all, you won't be required to meet a minimum deposit when you open an account. With that said, it's best to use ACH when depositing funds here, as no transaction fees are charged. Nonetheless, another major benefit of choosing Webolo to invest in crypto is that you will not pay any commissions. If you are looking for a cryptocurrency broker that also enables you to invest in traditional assets, Webolo also offers stocks, ETFs, and options. Finally, Webolo offers retirement accounts across various